Hey guys, what's up? And today we are doing another video on the Galactic connectors, but this time instead of 7 packs, we have 3. These are getting a little bit harder to find. I got these from my grandmother. So yeah, they are running out of these very quickly because this is a very cool thing to have, and people love collecting these chips. So they're pretty exclusive. So I'm just going to get on opening with them, and yeah, so let's see who we get. Hopefully we get some people new. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to keep one of those because I threw away the other ones. Oh, we got something new. Flame Trooper. Grievous. We got Tion, I don't know how to pronounce his name, but we got him from episode 3. We got C-3PO, I think that's my second C-3PO, I don't know though. And we have a Lobot. So yeah, that was the first pack. We got, I think, 4 new ones. And I think the green ones and the clear ones and the red ones are all rare. Second pack of today's opening. Let's get out the instructions. Those ones are garbage. Let's see. Okay, I know I do not have R2-D2. Now that is someone new. We got a Luke. Oh man, I don't want my camera to be blurry on you. Here we go. We got a Luke Skywalker. Oh, my second Ugnaught. We got Yoda. I believe this is my second Yoda. And I know I've changed Palpatine. Alright guys, so we've got quite a few doubles now. Let's see who we get in the final pack of today's opening. Alright, let's see. It's hard to cut because these instructions are pretty hard to cut through. Okay. Instruction manual. We got a biker scout or scout trooper. We got Lando. I know I don't have Lando. I know I have no Lando. We got Talon Wee. Remember her from episode 2. Alright, last 2. We have Zam Wessel. And we have Dexter Jester. I know I have him. Alright guys, so we get quite a few doubles in this pack opening. But we got quite a few chips. And I think these are 15 chips. So now I have 65 chips. There's like a whole ton more to collect. Now I actually want to show you these game instructions. So I'm not going to read them. I'm just going to show you like all the different ones that are on the list. So that's every single one I have to collect. All from there, there, and there. It is 75 of them. Alright guys, so that ends this video. Please press the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.